Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we are in the exercise 4, and in that we had completed till question number 3, the word problems related to LCM. Now in today's video we'll move further in that exercise from question number 4. Find the greatest number that will exactly divide 73 and 117. So 17, 73 and 170. From that, 73 is already a prime number and 170 is 17 is composite number. 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So greatest number when it is being told means we have to find out the HCF. So as 1 is prime number, here if we will find out the prime factorization of 117, 17 twos are अगर आप देखोगे it will be 146. मीन्स ये कहीं पे भी 73 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. Okay, because 73 is already a prime number. This is a composite number. अगर हम उसका HCF find out करेंगे तो therefore HCF of 73 and 117 will be equal to 1. सिर्फ 1 से हम उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. therefore we can write that the greatest number that will exactly divide 73 and 117 is equal to 1. Why? Because 73 is already a prime number. 117 does not have the factor as 73 because 73 twos are 146 होता है. Here it is 117. So that's why जो greatest number है जो ये दोनों को divide कर सकता है that is only 1. So here we don't have to do much. Now question number 5. Two ropes of length 28 meter and 36 meter are to be cut into beads of small length. Find the greatest possible length for each bead. Means two ropes are there. Rope means आपको पता होगा, rope means डोरी. तो वैसी दो रोप्स है, उस एक की लेंथ 28 मीटर है, एक की 36 मीटर है. उसको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कट करना है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रेटेस्ट पॉसिबल लेंथ फॉर ईच बीड. दोनों रोप में से सबसे बड़ी लेंथ कॉमन जो हम दोनों में से कट कर सकते हैं वो कौन सी होगी, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. एंड हियर द वर्ड इज बीइंग यूज्ड दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट पॉसिबल लेंथ. मीन्स students, what we have to find out, in the last video I told you if such words are being used we have to find out HCF. So here what we will write, length of two ropes is equal to 28 meter and 36 meter. What we have to find out the greatest possible length. Therefore the greatest possible length for each bead. Bead means pieces is equal to HCF of 28 and 36. The same, whichever method you are comfortable you can go 28 and 36. So HCF we are finding, both are coming in the table of 2. So 2 14s are, 2 18s are, 2 7s are and 2 9s are. So therefore HCF we are getting, that is what, 4 मीटर. मीन्स दोनों में से कितने कितने मीटर लेंथ के पीसीस करने पड़ेंगे, इट विल बी ऑफ 4 मीटर ईच. 4 से देखो ये दोनों डिवाइड हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम हियर 7 पीसेस कैन बी मेड एंड हियर 9 कैन बी मेड ऑफ सेम लेंथ 4 मीटर के ही. So at last we'll write therefore the greatest possible length for each beat is equal to 4 meter. Simple, कुछ hard नहीं है, just you have to catch the words. Question number 6. Again it is given, find the largest size of handkerchief which can be cut from a cloth having length 2.75 meter and breadth 75 centimeter. Now see, one is given in meter and another one is given in centimeter, so we'll convert the meter into centimeter. The length of handkerchief is given. Is equal to 2.75 meter and 75 centimeter. Now you can see here one is given, get length and breadth. The length and breadth of the handkerchief is given, that is 2.75 meter and 75 centimeter. One is in meter and one is in centimeter, so we'll convert meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 2.75 meter is equal to 2.75 into 100. So what will happen with the help of two zeros, जब हम 100, 10 या 1000, 10,000 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और अगर पॉइंट है तो द पॉइंट विल शिफ्ट टूवर्ड्स द राइट साइड पॉइंट शिफ्ट होता जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे कितने जीरोस है, 2 zeros आर देयर, सो द पॉइंट विल शिफ्ट 2 digits टूवर्ड्स द राइट साइड. एक जीरो से वो पॉइंट यहाँ पे आएगा, दूसरे ज़ीरो से वो पॉइंट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, सो इट विल बिकम 275 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, so which is equal to 275 centimeter and 75 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Find the largest size of handkerchief. We have to find out. What we'll write? Therefore, largest size of handkerchief can be cut is equal to HCF of 275 and 75. We have to find out its HCF. Let us find out 275 and 75. 7 plus 5 12, 7 plus 2 9 plus 5 14, so it will not go by 3, we have to go by 4 only. So 5 4s are is 20, sorry, 5 5s are is 25, 2 and 5 again 5s are, 5 1s are 5, 2 and 5 25, 5 5s are is 25 again by 5, 5 11s are and 5 3s are. So hereby we get the HCF. So what we can write? Therefore, the largest size of handkerchief can be cut is equal to 5 into 5, which comes to 25 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि हमने इसको यहाँ पे ही दोनों को सेंटीमीटर में ही रखा है. एक मीटर था, दैट ऑल्सो वी हैड डन टू सेंटीमीटर. Now the last question of the chapter, exercise, that is, what is the capacity of the largest vessel which can empty the oil from 3 vessels containing 32 liter, 24 liter and 48 liter an exact number of times. Now this one you have to do it by yourself. Why? Because it's very simple. क्या पूछा है? What is the, see what is being asked, that what is the capacity of the largest vessel which can empty the oil from three vessels containing 32 liter, 24 liter and 48 liter an exact number of times. वर्ड क्या यूज़ किया है? लार्जेस्ट वेसल. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट HCF फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. क्योंकि 3 वेसल्स है जिसमें अलग अलग लीटर्स ऑफ ऑयल है, 32, 24 एंड 48. तो हमें ऐसा लार्जेस्ट वेसल कौन सा होगा जो ये वेसल को अगर एम्प्टी करेगा तो एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आ जाएगा, कुछ कम भी नहीं होगा और ज़्यादा भी नहीं होगा. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द HCF ऑफ दिस question. So this was the last sum which you have to do it by yourself. Then the last part of the chapter, that is factorization using exponents. So that we will do it in the next video, which will be the last topic of your chapter. So this question you have to do it in the homework, and in the last video you will complete the chapter. So till then, thank you and